Akshay will be batting for the very first time under difficult circumstances. David Johnson is on fire. Comes rushing in and once again very close to being called wide. Umpire B.K. Ravi. Why am I not playing for the last 10 years? He's bowled well. Once again a run attempted. What was he trying to do there? 3 for 1. I wonder why though. Maybe for a miscued pull. That's the only thing I can think of. Again short. Oh, he needed a slip on that occasion. Wonderful away going delivery. That's his speciality. And somehow if you can sneak a fielder in from somewhere else and bring him back to slip, that's what you need. Just missing the outside edge. And right on cue. Let me take a look at that again. This team's in trouble. Well, that's tragic. Vinay Kumar had a mid-wicket fielder, but he's glad to see that.
6 for 1.
Short fine, mid-wicket. Once again keeping it outside off. So David Johnson goes for the wicket and Pike might give overthrows. What's Ponnappa doing?
ಭರ್ಜರಿ ಹೊಡೆತ, ಬಿರುಸಿನ ಹೊಡೆತ. ಆದರೆ ಫೀಲ್ಡರ್ ಅನ್ನು ದಾಟಿಸಲು ಸಾಧ್ಯವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಒಂದು ಓಟ ಮಾತ್ರ.
That will probably just be a single, and it's 18 fine time. Come to the stadium. Once again a big swish and a miss. Very, very inelegant. Try to make room for himself. 24 for 1.
ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಹೊಡೆತ, ಆದರೆ ಒಂದೇ ರನ್.
One batsman back in the pavilion. Shiva, I think Malnad Gladiators are slightly out of focus.
Yeah, they're dropping down in the run rate required. And did not make full use of the power play. In the last over in power play, 6 overs in the 20.
ಹುಡುಗರು ಈ ಆಟವನ್ನು ಆಡಬೇಕು. ಭರ್ಜರಿಯಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಹೊಡೆತ, ಬೌಂಡ್ರಿ, 4 runs.
Finally realizing just 2 fielders outside the ring and going over the top. Lucky to survive early in the over. Miscue fell short of the man at long on, but this was a very good hit coming from the middle of the bat. Going wide of the crease, Vadiraj, giving him the angle.
14 ರನ್ಗಳು ಆಗಲೇ ಇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಿಧಾನ ಗತಿಯಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಟರ್ನ್, ಉತ್ತಮ ಥ್ರೋ, ಬಟ್ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಗುಡ್ ರನ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಹೇಳೋ.
Mighty one. It's another maximum. Landing in the middle of the stands. If they're targeting that car, it's going to be given to the man of the series.
ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಹೊಡೆತವನ್ನು ಗಮನಿಸಿ, ಸರಿಯಾದ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರು. That's why he was able to execute that beautifully, cleanly hit. ಅಕ್ಷಯ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಚೆಂಡು ಬೌಂಡ್ರಿ ಹತ್ತ ಓಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬೌಂಡ್ರಿ, 4 ರನ್ಗಳು.
There's the move on. Akshay getting to 24, just 16. 10 of the last 2 deliveries, improving his strike rate, going over the top and then forcing the bowler to drop short of the length. There's also a little bit of width given by the left arm medium pacer. A good position to put it away. The placement very, very good. David Johnson at third man had no chance to cut out that one.
ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಅದ್ಭುತವಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಹೊಡೆತ, ಎಗ್ರೆಷನ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ವೇ, 4 ರನ್ಗಳು. 53 ರನ್ಗಳು ಗ್ಲಾಡಿಯೇಟರ್ಸ್. ಈ ಜೊತೆಯಾಟ 50 ರನ್ ತಲುಪಿದೆ. ಈ ಓವರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗಾಗಲೇ 14 ರನ್ಗಳು ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಸರನ್ಲಿ ಶಿವರಾಮ್ ಕೃಷ್ಣನ್, ಕರೆಂಟ್ ರನ್ ರೇಟ್ ಪರ್ ಓವರ್ 8.15, ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್ 7.41.
2 good overs is going to change things around. So it started from there. A 6 and then a boundary. Then on the leg side, he's falling all over the ground, mid on, then point, Then square leg is an indication that the bowler is all over the...
ಅತ್ಯುತ್ತಮವಾಗಿರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಚೆಂಡು 6-4-4 ಆದ ಮೇಲೆ ವಿನಯ್ ಅವರಿಂದ ಗುಡ್ ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಅಂತ ನಾವೇ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. ಟೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ದ ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ಮನ್. ಉತ್ತಮವಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಜೊತೆಯಾಟ. ಈಗಾಗಲೇ 50 ರನ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಈ ಜೊತೆಯಾಟ ಗಳಿಸಿದೆ. 15 ರನ್ನುಗಳು ಈ ಓವರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ. ಬಹುಶಃ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಓವರ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಗ್ಲಾಡಿಯೇಟರ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ಟಾಪ್.
Certainly, so the required rate now is 7.5. Might get to the boundary. No, doesn't. Good dive in. Have to wait for the umpire's signal though. No signal from the umpires. Come off the glove.
ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಆದರೆ ಗ್ಲಾಡಿಯೇಟರ್ಸ್ ತಂಡಕ್ಕೆ 2 ರನ್ನುಗಳ ಬೋನಸ್ ಸಿಕ್ತು ಅಂತಾನೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಅಕ್ಷಯ್ 31 ತಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಕೋರನ್ನು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಸಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. 3 ಬೌಂಡ್ರಿಗಳು ಹಾಗೂ 1 ಸಿಕ್ಸರ್ ಇದೆ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾಲಿಂಗ್ ಶಾಟ್. ಕ್ಯಾಚ್ಗಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡಬಹುದಿತ್ತು, ಆದರೆ ಬಹುಶಃ ಕ್ಯಾಚ್ಗೆ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಚೆಂಡು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬೌಂಡ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತದೋ ಅನ್ನುವಂತಹ ಅನುಮಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಚ್ ಅನ್ನು ಹಿಡಿಲಿಲ್ಲ. 2 ರನ್ನುಗಳನ್ನು ಸಹ ನೀಡಿದರು.
Stage of the game, you should run in for the catch. Very ordinary.
ಸ್ಲೋ ಟರ್ನ್, ಆದರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾದಂತಹ ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ 1 ರನ್ನನ್ನು ಗಳಿಸೋದಕ್ಕೆ. ಅಕ್ಷಯ್ 35 of 23. 7.58ರ ಸರಾಸರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ರನ್ನನ್ನು ಗಳಿಸಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಸದ್ಯದ ರನ್ ರೇಟ್ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿದೆ. ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೊಡೆದು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್. 2 ಅತ್ಯುತ್ತಮ ರನ್ನುಗಳು. ಗುಡ್ ರನ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದ ವಿಕೆಟ್ಸ್.
Charged on the pitch for the first one. And put pressure on the field at the deep. Much better off running in straight lines. He's all over the place. He manages 2 of the first delivery.
ಭರ್ಜರಿಯಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಹೊಡೆತ, ಆದರೆ ಬೌಂಡ್ರಿ ತಲುಪುವ ಸಾಧ್ಯತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. 2ನೇ ರನ್ನಿಗಾಗಿ ಓಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಪಟ್ಟರು, ಆದರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬೇಗ.
Almost the very end. Very lucky on that occasion. Big inside edge. They run away to the boundary though.
ಮಲ್ನಾಡ್ ಗ್ಲಾಡಿಯೇಟರ್ಸ್ನ ಕೆಲವು ಬೌಂಡ್ರಿಗಳು ಅದೃಷ್ಟವಶಾತ್ ಈ ಬಾರಿಯೂ ಸಹ ಅತ್ಯುತ್ತಮವಾಗಿರತಕ್ಕಂಥ 4 ರನ್ನುಗಳು. ಹೆಗಡೆ ಅವರ ನಿರ್ಗಮನದ ನಂತರ ಪ್ರಥಮ ಬೌಂಡ್ರಿ. ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಲಾರ್ ಆಫ್ ಲಕ್.
Just a slow delivery. Very unlucky for the bowler. The strike rate has improved dramatically in the last 4 overs. Wide. Would have been the last ball of the over. He's way off target and the extra ball. Might be paying a huge price for that if he goes for a boundary. Edge and taken. Huge nick. He's broken through. Went for plenty. Winning. A lot of runs taken off him in the last couple of overs, but his captain persisted with him. But he finds the outside edge of the well-set batsman. Akshay's got to go. Very big nick and carried to the wicketkeeper Uthappa. Joy for the young man. Finally, he's had the batsman who scored plenty of him. So another major breakthrough. 71 for 3.